Now, this assembly also can be customized. We will see that later videos. Now, the next step, once we have corridor, the next step is actually, let me show you something very interesting. Just select this and you can from object viewer, click on object viewer, and then you can see your, road in 3D rendered somewhat, you see. Okay, let's close this one. And okay, so you have this corridor. Next step is to create sample lines. Okay, so now we need cross sections at each 20 meter. Okay, so for that, just here in the home tab again, we have sample lines options in profile section and profile and section views ribbon. So click on the sample lines, and now it is asking to create select the alignment. We can just hit enter, and the alignment will pop out, and we select the tutorial alignment. Okay, so alignment has been set. Again, a window pops up. You name it. I will name it as tutorial underscore algm. Okay, okay, alignment. And you see what is it sampling road sample line. It is a road sample. The style is this, like the name style is like this. It's just there. And the data is sources is sampling, which has just corridor data and the surface data. Okay, so we say okay, and now it is asking for us where it starts. So I will say from range of station. By range of station, I will go here in the offset and say by range of station. So a new window will pop up, and then it will ask for the for the inputs. So here I'm saying it starts from beginning, start from start, so 0, and end to the end part of the station. Okay, and the width I will, it's 20 meter. You can keep 20, or you can say, I will say okay, like 30 meter, because sometimes it is far beyond that. So so that it samples all these parts. And for other options, I will just keep it as default for now, and say okay. So okay, so but we missed one thing, you know we actually did not added a sample line at the beginning. Okay, so we need to add this line at the beginning. We say enter, uh, say okay, and this one is actually uh, tutorial the alignment. Everything is similar. Okay, and then you say like a range of station. Okay, and from beginning it starts, and add additional at start. This should be true. And like earlier, okay, it's be like 30. This we can it depends upon your data, how much it is going beyond your the alignment. Okay, so now say okay. So it starts from start, and it goes till end. Okay, so now you have all the points. So you say enter, and the line, the sample line is created.